As Watcher requested me to answer these questions, I have made a video for this person and all of you guys. So the first question, can I use my Android phone hotspot on iPad 9th generation as an alternative Wi-Fi? Yes, of course you can do that very easily. You can just turn on Wi-Fi here and then the hotspot in your Android phone, and you can easily access internet efficiently on your iPad. And the second question is, can I download Telegram app and Google Drive on iPad generation? Yes, you can download Telegram app and Google Drive on any generation of iPad you are going to buy. Just for instance, I want to show you. See, I am using this Telegram application right here, and also you can go to App Store and search Google Drive here. You'll find Google Drive very easily right here. Just to show you, I'm clicking here. See, the Google Drive works efficiently on your iPad Pro or any generation of iPad you're using, for sure. And the third thing Watcher is saying here is, I don't have any other Apple product. I have an Android phone and I only want to buy an iPad for study purpose and note making. Am I going to face any difficulties as first time iPad user? Yes, as a first time iPad user, everybody faces issues while writing on iPad, because when you write on iPad with your Apple Pencil, it actually slips at the beginning. So most of them get used to it very easily. Some of them who don't get used to it, they buy some screen protectors like paper-like and ESR screen protectors, which gives you paper-like feeling, not the tempered glass I'm talking about. So do research and buy screen protectors which gives you paper-like feeling along with your iPad. So that's the only issue everybody faces, issues while writing on their iPad at the beginning. And one more thing, as Watcher said here, that he or she is going to buy an iPad 9th generation. So this is what the size is of 9th generation. So at the sideways it is 9.8 inches and at the top it is 6.8 inches. This iPad is way more handy and you can use it like a diary, and wherever you go you can take it with you. So as just like Watcher, if you guys have any other problems, do let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that. Thank you.